So we got a 1983 Chevy truck. It's got some different heads on it. I think it's a 350. It's got some new headers. We didn't put on the headers. We just did the exhaust system. So we did 304 stainless from the manifolds back. And he wanted it kind of quiet, so we put some big body Magnaflows all the way back. It's 2.5 inch. All the way back. Alright, go ahead and start it up, Steve. The smoke is from the mandrel bender, like there's grease in the pipes. Go ahead, rev it up a couple times. Yeah, I think it'll be good with that. It doesn't sound too loud.